so this is a color matching activity along with the different animals. You can find this printable on www.lifelolo.com, or I will also put the link in the description box below. I will match the colors of these animals to the corresponding circles. Let's see. Okay. So let's start with this. So this is a bird. What color is it?
Blue.
Blue bird. Oh. And bird flies in the air? How does the bird fly? Bird lives in the nest?
No.
No? Who lives in the nest then?
Go.
Crow? Bird lives in the nest?
No.
Okay, now what is this? Octopus.
Octopus.
What is the color of this octopus?
Purple.
Purple. And octopus lives in the water?
No.
Then where does the octopus live?
Nothing. Water.
In the water? Okay. Okay, what is this?
Orange cat.
Orange cat. Okay. How does the cat do? How does the cat do?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Okay, what is this?
Turtle.
Turtle. And what is the color?
Green.
Green turtle. Okay.
Little.
Batao.
Frog.
This is not a frog. And where does the turtle live? In the water?
No.
Okay. On the
No.
land?
No.
Then?
Octopus. Bunny.
Okay, octopus पानी में रहता है और turtle?
Turtle. Bunny. नहीं.
पानी में तो रहता है तो turtle कहाँ रहता है? Turtle lives in the water. Okay, now what is this? A brown monkey. It's doing like this. And what is this?
Duck. Yellow duck.
Yellow duck. Okay. How does the duck do? Quack quack.
Cat. Cat.
Quack quack.
Cat. Cat.
Okay. What is this? Flamingo. Pink flamingo.
Pink.
Okay. This is a bug.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. What is the color of this ladybug?
Dead.
Red with black spots. Can you count the number of spots?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. And what is this? Sheep. And what is the color of this sheep?
White.
White. Okay. Baba, white sheep. Okay, good job. Okay, good job.
Bye, kids.